up, knock them down, and faking them out. They don't be playing.